If I needed a job urgently, instead of me jumping up and down looking for a job to do, I would rather work in the comfort of my home in these three sites that I want to share with you. So the first site is called Respondent. Most of you already know about Respondent, but I've gotten a whole lot of people asking me if Respondent still pays in 2025. Let me share with you my honest review about Respondent. In Respondent, you can make as much as you would want to make, because Respondent pays as high as £100 or $100 for a single survey. So if you are working on Respondent and making such amount of money, what's the essence of still carrying your file about looking for a job? So if I needed a job urgently, I would prefer to work fully for Respondent. And one thing that I love so much about Respondent is that unlike other platforms that you will always be searching for surveys, Respondent gives you surveys frequently. And if you look up here, you see that these messages I'm getting on a daily from this platform calling me for researches available for me to do. The next one I want to do instead of me looking for a job all around is called Prolific. Prolific is a site that most of you already know, but are still worried if they still pay, or you are worried about their payment method. Their payment method is through PayPal, and like I told you, if you have issue creating your PayPal, you can always call on me and I will answer you. In Prolific, you can earn as high as £500 or $500. So if you earn such amount of money, what do you still need job for? This site can pay you as high as you getting a job outside your home. And when you get a job, you have to consider your transportation and all that. But if you are working on this Prolific, you are doing it from the comfort of your home, and at the end of the day, it's still gonna pay some of your bills. Like Prolific might not make you a rich person, but at least it's gonna pay off a whole lot of your bills. So now the next one I want to talk about is called User Interviews. User Interviews is another platform I would rather prefer to work instead of going about looking for a job. So if I needed a job urgently, I would rather choose User Interviews as my main place of work. So in User Interviews, a particular research or a particular study can pay you as high as $150 or £150. And I have proofs in case you are hearing of User Interviews for the first time and you are wondering if this is possible. So if you look up here, you can see payment proofs from those User Interviews. So again, I want to also share with you in case you are thinking, what are you going to be doing on these platforms? In these platforms, all you need to do is just to scroll into your laptop or your phone. Whatever device you are using, you can make use of it to access these platforms. Just log in, give your opinion about company products that you have used or services that you have used. And at the end of the day, these people are going to pay you. It's just like you have used them. Let me just say Honeywell spaghetti. So the company that owns Honeywell is looking for people that they can gather their opinions about their products so that they can improve the quality of their products. So when you and I give your opinions to them, they are going to pay us at the end of it. So those are the things you are going to be doing on those platforms. You are also going to be sharing your reviews. Now, let me also go ahead and give you some bonus sites where you can also work and make money from. User testing. You can also work on user testing. And if you look up here, you see proofs and payment proofs that user testing is still working. So if you are asking questions like, can I still make money from user testing in 2025? The answer is completely yes. This platform is still working. Initially, user testing was on its own and Intellism was on its own, but currently they have merged the two platforms. So I wouldn't want to mention Intellism since they are already into user testing. So instead of you working about looking for a job to do, you can work work on this user testing. Then another bonus site I want to share with you is called Saros Research. I talked about Saros Research in my previous video, and I'm still talking about it because it's a platform that I will always recommend to anyone who is there to me to work on, because they still pay and they pay very high. Even though that their surveys, their researches are not always frequent, but at least the one you are going to earn at a sitting is going to cover up for the days that they are not going to be sending you researches. So if you are already working on any of those platforms and you are having issues, you want to ask some questions that you need someone to give you an answer to, just go down into the comment section of this video and ask me whatever questions and I will help you out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do well to touch that notification button. Just go ahead right now and smash the subscribe button.